Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt using culture, easy method. Heat milk to 180 degrees F, cool to 110 degrees F, whisk in starter culture, transfer to jars, keep warm undisturbed for 6 to 12 hours, then chill before serving. Use whole milk for creamier texture or dilute with water for lighter yogurt. Taste and adjust incubation time to reach your desired tang and thickness. Add flavorings after chilling for best results. Warm milk, starter culture, and a thermometer are the main ingredients and tools to start. Use pasteurized milk and a reliable yogurt starter like plain cultured yogurt or freeze-dried culture. A heavy pot, whisk, jars, and an incubator or warm oven make the process consistent. Sterilize equipment to avoid contamination and measure temperatures carefully. Small adjustments to milk fat and incubation time change texture and tang, so experiment once you know the basics. Quick recommendation: if you love reading while your yogurt cultures, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable, glare-free reading anywhere. It's lightweight, waterproof, and has a long battery life that pairs well with kitchen projects and recipes. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tutorials. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Use gentle heating and accurate cooling to protect cultures and prevent scorch. If yogurt is too thin, extend incubation or add powdered milk for thicker results. For overly sour yogurt, reduce incubation by 1 or 2 hours and use fresher starter. Avoid stirring during incubation to maintain set. If contamination occurs, discard and sanitize equipment before retrying. Keep some starter in the fridge to begin your next batch quickly and consistently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.